Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm going to make a tutorial video for this 3D bunny box die set. So this is all the dies you will get, and for this one is to make the front and back side of your box. So I cut it 4 times because I want to make these two as the base of the box. And then I cut the pattern papers. I use the pink cardstock to make it. So I will stick these two just to make the box much more sturdy. And you will also get this piece. This piece is the face of your bunny. And I didn't use it in this project. But if you want to, cover your face, because there will be embossing lines here, right? These embossing lines is for you to know where to put the eyes and the nose. But if you don't want it just like this, you don't want all these embossing lines here, then you could cut another piece of this one to cover it, so it will like this. So you could cut one piece to cover this piece. So it's up to your choice. And then you will get these two pieces. This piece is to make the bottom of your box. So you need to cut it 1 time. And it also comes with a layering piece. So you can also cut your layering piece 1 time. And this one is to make the size of your bunny box. So you need to cut 2 times of this one. Also 2 times with the pattern paper. So these are the layering pieces for the bottom and the sides. And this is for making the whiskers of the bunny. So you need to cut it 1 time. And if you want to make it more sturdy, you can cut it like 2 or 3 times, because 1 time it still is a little flimsy for the whisker part. And this is the part that you need to cut to make the eyes of the bunny. And this is the ear part, so you also need to cut 1 time to make the ear part. And if you want to make the front and back side all with the face part, then you need to cut these 2 times and this 2 times. Yeah. And this is to make the nose part is like this. And you have 2 different options to make your face part. So this is the eyes part. Here, these are the eyes part, and also together with this piece, the eyelashes to make the eyes, and this is to make the mouth and the nose. And this is another face that you could use it just to, make the face part. So you have 2 different ways to use this one, and I will also show it in this video. So these are how the dies are going to be cut, and let's get started. So first, let's make the face part. So with these embossing lines, you will know where to stick all your ears, mouth, and the eyes part. And this is the nose part. You can also use like pink or other colors to layer this nose part on top. And this is to make the eyes part, and these are the eyelashes that you can put on top. So also for this one, see, if you make it just like this way without the eyelashes, it's like a bunny boy right? And then with the eyelashes on top, it's more like a bunny girl. Yeah. So you can also use two different ways to make this eyes part. So this part is ready, and let's also make the other part. So you can make both parts, in the same face, right? Because I want to show different ways of the face part, so I make this part also I made this part differently. So we also did it the same way, like stick these pieces up. So the eyelashes is going to be put like this way. So she's also very cute, right? And I forgot about the whisker. So it's here. I only cut one time because I want you to see how it will look like when it's without the whiskers. Yeah, let me see. Okay. So they look like this, and let's put it on top. So she's so cute, right? And without whiskers, it looks like this. And now let's put it aside and finish the box part. So let's first fold these lines and stick it to the bottom of the box. Just to make it, because I want to make it for better curls, so I will need to put this piece outside of this part. So for this one, I will also stick it at the outside of this piece. And now I will stick the layering piece at the bottom. And this is the size piece, so we also need to fold all around the folding lines. And also stick this part on this side. And now here you will see that this piece is going to be glued at this part, right? Then we could add glue at this part. And now curl it. Hope this way you could see it better. So that's curled it at this part. And make sure, because this curved part, you also need to push it so it would be in the right place. And use your bone folder to make it stick well. Okay, so it finished very good. And now let's do this part. Also, we could, here we will see that we should add glue about this place, right? And we do the same. So this part is also in a good curve. And now let's do the same to the other part. So this box part is finished. And now we could stick this part on top to finish the box. Okay, I forgot about the layering pieces for the size part. So let's put the layering pieces for the size. So this box is ready, and yeah, it looks like this. And you could also, add a handle part here to make it with like a bag. And then yeah, you will have two different face. So this is all for today, and if you have any questions, just let me know. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.